The phenomenon of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a fascinating natural phenomenon where living organisms produce light. This ability is found in various creatures, such as fireflies, deep-sea fish, and certain fungi. The light produced is the result of chemical reactions within their bodies, typically involving a light-emitting pigment called luciferin. Bioluminescence serves numerous purposes, including attracting mates, luring prey, and evading predators. In the dark depths of the ocean, bioluminescent organisms create stunning displays, illuminating their surroundings in a captivating way. Scientists continue to study bioluminescence for its potential applications in medicine, environmental monitoring, and even creating sustainable light sources.